Welcome back to our channel. Success awaits you. In the previous video from our chemistry section, we started the topic 3 states of matter and discussed the liquid state. In this video, we will talk about the solid state of matter. So let's start. Solid state is the state of matter in which atoms, molecules or ions are held together by strong attractive forces due to its strong, attractive, interatomic, molecular forces. The particles of solid cannot move. However, they possess some vibrational energy. Solids have both definite shape and definite volume. According to the kinetic molecular theory of solids, the molecules of solids are present at fixed positions and are unable to move. This is because the particles in a solid are closely packed due to a strong, attractive forces between them, and also because they have a strong, attractive forces. They have definite shape because the particles are arranged in a fixed pattern. Solids are classified into two types. Number 1, crystalline solids. Number 2, amorphous solids. If the particles are attached to each other with a definite arrangement and a solid possesses a definite geometrical shape, then these type of solids are called crystalline solids. Examples: graphite, diamond, etc. If the particles are attached to each other without definite arrangement, so they do not have a definite shape, the particles of such solids have a random three-dimensional arrangement. Examples of amorphous solids are glass, rubber, plastic, etc. Now moving on to the properties or behavior of solids. Number 1, diffusibility. Diffusion also occurs in solids, but at a very slow rate. If a polished piece of zinc is clamped with a piece of copper for a long time, after a few years, we will see that some particles of copper have penetrated into zinc. It shows that diffusion in solids is possible, but it occurs very slowly. Number 2, compressibility. The compressibility of solids is nearly zero in terms of kmt. The particles of solids are so tightly bound together that only a little space is left. So we can say that by applying pressure on solids, no change in volume is observed. So the solids are compressible to a negligible extent. Number 3, sublimation. The property of some solids. Det on heating. These solids are directly converted into vapors without liquefaction, meaning they directly change into gas without changing into a liquid. This property of solids is known as sublimation. Examples of solids which are sublime: dry ice, that is solid CO2, NH4Cl, I2, etc. Number 4, melting. In terms of kinetic theory, when solids are heated, vibrational energy of the particles increases, until at melting point some particles are vibrating with sufficient energy to overcome the forces holding them. Hence, they become mobile, that is, solid fuse. Hope you learned something from the video. Drop your feedback in the comment section below, and don't forget to like and share the video, and do subscribe to the channel. Thank you.